Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sherlyn. Welcome to Sherlyn and Food Etc. Today we are going to make some chili. So let's start with our ingredients. 1 pound regular ground beef, 3 garlic minced, half of white onion minced, tomatoes, please around 1.5 cup, cut it up into chunks. 1 cup chopped celery, 1 cup chopped carrots, 1 cup chopped crimini mushrooms, 1/2 cup chopped red bell pepper, 1 can red kidney beans, 1 can black beans, a jar of pasta sauce. We're using 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 cup beef broth, 1 cup pork broth, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and 1 package of chili. This is not a spicy one, that's just a regular chili mixed, and salt and pepper for seasoning. Okay, let's start by browning our ground beef. We'll season it with some beef powder, okay, and a teaspoon of beef powder and a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Okay, don't worry about the grease or the fats. We'll drain this out. We're not going to use it. We just need our beef to brown. Okay, so that should be good. We'll take this out from the heat and we'll cook our veggies. So in our separate pot, we're going to cook our veggies. So let's start with our garlic first. We can add our onion. So if you noticed, all my veggies and spices are cut up in almost the same sizes, because we're trying to get like a similar or uniform cuts, so it will just blend into our meat or ground beef. Okay, so we'll do that, and then we can add our mushroom. So let's cook this for a bit until the mushroom gets all brown and caramelized a little bit. So we'll add in our tomatoes and red bell pepper, season it with salt and pepper, just a little bit, because we don't want to over season it. It's going to be too salty. Okay. Next, we can add in our carrots and celery. There we go. And we can go ahead and add our ground beef. Okay. Just give this a quick mix. And we can add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Mixed it. Then add half a jar of your pasta sauce. Okay, my pasta sauce is the red wine and herbs, and this is 650 ml, so I'm just using half of it. And then we'll add our 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. One cup of beef broth, and 1 cup of pork broth. And then we'll let this simmer for at least half an hour before we add in our beans. Just don't forget to stir this occasionally so you don't get the bottom part burned out. Okay. Okay, after half an hour, we can go ahead and add our beans, the red kidney beans and the black beans. Stir it a little bit. Then we can add our chili mix, whole package. Mixed it. Okay, let this simmer for another half an hour to 45 minutes. So this is done, guys. We're gonna do our plating. To gallon of sour cream, some grated cheese, and some chopped cilantro or green onions. Then we'll add in some garlic toast. Voila, your chili is ready to serve.